Hello friends, welcome you all. Today we will starting the next concept of the genetics. In this previous video, we talked about the introductory lecture of the basically the basically the genetics, and now we discuss the reason for Mendel success कि जो हमारे मेंडल भाई साहब थे वो कैसे जो है सक्सेस हुए. So in this video basically we talked about the reason for Mendel success, and we basically talked about the all other things which basically important for our study. So let's start. So basically here you can see the reasons for Mendel success. Basically you can see here there are seven characters which were taken by the Mendels, and basically the selection of Pisum setavium. This is the first character which basically enhance the luck of the Mendels, and there are seven characters which basically seed shape, seed color, and seed flower color and flower position, pod shape and pod color, and stem height, which is basically tall and dwarf. Basically we talk about the basically seven characters which has basically 14 traits, and the short duration life cycle annually plants and large progeny seeds will be produced in more number. Seven characters which has the contrasting traits, 14 variety basically, and they available in the pure lines, and they were basically naturally self-pollinate, and progeny were of two type because they had only naturally self-pollination, so that's why the progeny were two types. So this is the basic. So the parents were with contrasting traits. The parents were contrasting traits were selected for hybridization cross pollination. We easily cross pollinate with these plants. Basically the emasculation, which is the technique by which we can remove the immature flower, sorry, by which we can remove the anther from immature flower, and basically this is the technique by which remove the anther from the immature flower. So this is the basic technique by which we can enhance the cross pollination, and second one is pollination, which is basically the dusting which is done by the artificially, and the second one is tagging, third one is tagging and the bagging, है ना. तो टैगिंग में क्या किया जाता है कि उसके ऊपर टैग लगा दिया जाता है, ये मेल है फीमेल है, पैगिंग में फिर उसको ढक दिया जाता है. At the selection of one or two character at a time, and they basically taken the scientific approach. Basically first of all they give the hypothesis, and the second one is they did the testing and experimentation and observation basically, and third one is the statistical analysis. So this is the basically the we can say the scientist approach basically by which they basically succeed. So here you can see, and fourth basically uh, they did a detailed analysis and collection of data after F1 or F2 generation, and luckily they are very lucky. Gregory and Mendel basically they choose that plant that have no linkage and no incomplete dominance, no epistasis, and genes for all seven characters were residing on autosomes, not on the sex chromosomes. So this is the basically luckily achievement, and basically they did a very hard work, and that's why God help him. So this is the basically uh, this is basically about the Mendels. In the next video we will talk about the another attributes, or another basically the uh, we were talking about the next introductory lecture of the genetics, and we will talk about another major factors which basically influence the basically organism's life. So from till say goodbye. Thank you so much. We will meet in next video.